In this series of videos, we are considering whether Hurst cycles work. My name is David Hickson. I'm the creator of Sentient Trader software, which is an application that analyzes the price movement of any financial market according to the ideas published by J.M. Hurst over 50 years ago about the ways in which cycles influence the price movements of financial markets. Before we take a look at some evidence of Hurst cycles working, I must ask you to please make sure that you have read and understood these disclaimers. So, do Hurst cycles work? By which I mean, could a Hurst cycles analysis of a particular market give us the insight to make sensible and profitable trading decisions? In this video, we're going to take a look at some evidence provided by a Hurst cycles analyst. I am very grateful to @ChartingCycles, who tweets regularly about Hurst cycles analysis in financial markets. Here we are in Twitter, and as you can see, I have searched my Twitter feed for @ChartingCycles and then the instrument XLE. Here is a very interesting piece of evidence about tracking the price movement of XLE using Sentient Trader software and a Hurst cycles analysis. What ChartingCycles has done on this TradingView chart is that he has marked times in the past when he has tweeted about this particular instrument and a Hurst cycles analysis, and it provides compelling evidence of the insight that the Hurst cycles analysis provided into the future price direction of this particular instrument. Let's zoom in on the chart and take a look. I will provide a link to this tweet below this video so that you can follow the chain of tweets and evidence in terms of what the Hurst cycles analysis was saying. I should point out that the Hurst cycles analysis is not something that is simply produced by Sentient Trader software. A Hurst cycles analysis is produced by the analyst working with Sentient Trader as a tool, and therefore all of the credit goes to ChartingCycles in terms of providing a very insightful analysis. Here is the first tweet that he mentions on the 8th of July 2021, in which he mentioned that it was looking bearish until the 18-month trough likely to occur in September. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the exact bar upon which that tweet was tweeted. And indeed, price did move down in a bearish manner until late August. Here is the next tweet that he references on the 18th of August 2021, in which he states that XLE is likely in the process of putting in the 18-month trough here. As you can see, only a day or perhaps 2 days later, a trough formed in the market. On the 25th of August 2021, he tweeted that 4 strong days in a row gives the model more confidence that the 18-month trough is in. You can see this visualized by the CML. The CML is the composite model line in Sentient Trader. So let's go and take a look at those individual tweets to understand what the analysis was indicating would happen. Here is the tweet that was made on the 8th of July 2021, in which ChartingCycles mentioned that XLE was looking bearish until the 18-month cycle trough. And here is the orange line, the CML composite model line, indicating a downwards price movement into this 18-month cycle trough in early September. And here is the updated analysis on the 19th of August 2021, when ChartingCycles tweeted that the XLE was likely in the process of putting in the 18-month trough here. There again is the orange composite model line indicating that price is expected to turn up and move upwards. Here is the rather messy nest of lows for the 18-month cycle trough. I should reiterate here that a Hurst cycles analyst uses Sentient Trader as a tool. We have a messy nest of lows, but a good Hurst cycles analyst will nevertheless be able to identify that an 18-month cycle trough is likely to form. And here is the next tweet in the sequence indicating that 4 strong days gives the model more confidence. And as you can see, the CML, the composite model line, is indicating a strong move upwards as price bounces out of the 18-month cycle trough. As you can see, if we scroll upwards, moving forwards in time, Charting Cycles has tweeted on several further occasions about XLE, indicating that the 80-day cycle trough is being put in, and there is a confirmation of the 80-day cycle trough forming in XLE. This useful chart up at the top provided by Charting Cycles provides a neat summary of the way in which Hurst Cycles have provided great insight into the price movements of XLE over the past year. I do hope that the evidence presented in this video helps to persuade you that Hurst Cycles work in terms of providing us with insight into what financial markets are doing. Look out for more videos in this series discussing whether Hurst Cycles work.